Hi mates, welcome back. In today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix start button is not working in Windows 10. So trust me, is 100% maybe working. Just actually there's two solutions and I'm gonna show them. But make sure you watch this video all the way till the end to learn how to do it. So the first solution is by right click on the taskbar and go in Task Manager. So from here just click on more details and scroll all the way down till you find Windows Explorer. Just shut it down and task here like this. If that doesn't work, unfortunately you need to do the second solution. The second solution is basically to update your Windows and by clicking this button here. And yeah, you know how to do it. Just install it and that's it. But I want to cancel it now because I don't want to update my Windows. And yeah, that's the two solutions of how to fix start button is not working on your Windows 10. If you find this video helpful, you can give it a like, and also don't hesitate or shame to leave your problems, leave your questions down below the video, and I will try to respond in a few days if I can. See you next video. Bye.